tutorial. My name is Joshua, the CEO of Joa Supreme Creations, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create a 3D logo animation on your phone. So right now, let's get started. You go to renderforest.com and then you press Get Started, Video, Create Video. So once it opens, you scroll down to where you see logos and these are logo templates, 3D logo templates animation. So now let's go with this. So you see it now, create now. You press create now. So what we're going to be doing is that you press this logo holder, upload, browse, and then you locate your folder where you have your logo, the logo that you want to use, and you press it. So it's loaded for us. So guys, make sure your logo is in PNG format, that is a transparent background logo, not a JPEG. All right, so now go to the next icon on that blue bar, this one, the next one, just press it. You see fonts. So now next one, add music. You can choose to add music. So I'll be adding this music. So I would love to go with that. So once you like the music, just press the plus sign in front of it. So now the next one, play, free preview. Just click the free preview. So that one will load for us as well. So it's now loading. So our video is in queue. So after the queue, it will start to export. So you have to wait for it all, and everything is gonna take us less than 1 minute. So I believe you can wait. Just wait for it. All right. So we're almost there. So now here we are. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to play the logo, and let's see how it looks like. So now play. All right, so this is our logo. Isn't it cool? So that's it, guys. So guys, that's how to create 3D logo animation. So the next thing that we're going to be doing right now is to be saving our logo. So now you tap on this arrow pointing downward. That's how to save. You just tap it once and then download. So guys, that's how to create 3D logo animation on your phone. Thanks for watching this tutorial.